Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome again to Englishman and the host of Spoken. So this video is made on the two accents, the root accents of English, the American accent and the British accent. Well, there is some difference between these accents, but we just notice the pronunciation difference. We don't notice the spelling and vocabulary difference between these two. Well, if you don't know, then it's really new for you, or if you know, then that's good, you're advanced. So let's start. There are some words in two accents, but they're not same in spelling. Like if you see labor, you'll get that L-A-B-O-R or L-A-B-O-U-R. So that's really big difference. You can see that the spellings in American accent is easier than the spellings in British accent because I think the accent maker did this. Well, you can, in that case of program, P-R-O-G-A-M-M-E, it's the British spelling, and American, P-R-O-G-R-A-M. That's really easy in the British one. So sometimes you get confused with what should you use or what you need to use. In that case, it depends on your country. What does it support? Even you are writing to an international international receiver, then you should use what he uses or what she uses. Well, you can use, mostly in internet, the American accent is used because the Google is from America, so they fully use American accent. But somewhere British accents are also used, and you can see in any app or any social media lots of varieties in accents. You could see English in American accent, in British accent, in Indian accent, in Australian accent, in Canadian accent. So these are just, what should I say, it's all about. So the main thing is you have to know what spelling of what is from what accent. That can help you, because if you are writing in American accent but if you write a British spelling, that will cause you a lot. So guys, please do this. Check your dictionary, maybe American dictionary or British dictionary. Check it, then keep your spelling in one accent, but know the two. It will help you a lot. Knowing the both accent will help you in a lot of places, so do that. And yes, if this video was helpful for you, please give a like, share our videos and comment if you have any question. And don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button. So this was all for this video. Inshallah, we'll try to make a lot of videos on this, on the spelling mistakes, inshallah. So this was all for the video. We will try to meet another video with a new topic. Okay, bye bye.